If you're looking to get rid of pesky rolls in your midsection, you're not alone. While loading up on foods to lose your gut can help, there's even more you can do to support healthy, lasting weight loss. You are what you eat, but you are what you drink, too. Ahead, 6 tweaks, changes, and updates you can make to the beverages you consume to supercharge your belly-blasting weight loss efforts. Green tea. Pass the matcha or cup of green tea, please. Tea's antioxidants are credited for doing everything from helping to protect against heart disease and cancer to revving metabolism. Green tea has been shown to increase fat loss by reducing food intake, increasing fat burning, and suppressing the formation of fat cells. To shrink belly fat, sip it throughout the day, aiming to drink 4 to 6 teacups daily. Teacups are smaller than regular cups and hold 4 to 5 ounces, they continue, adding that green tea contains caffeine, which may help with body fat reduction as well. Alcohol consumption. If you're serious about weight loss, you may even want to consider ditching booze completely. The phrase beer belly didn't come out of nowhere. Alcohol is high in empty calories, and drinking too much of it can increase belly fat even if you're a healthy body weight. Water. Drinking more water increases fat burn, and there's also some evidence it could suppress the appetite. Anything above and beyond what you already drink can help with fat loss. However, I often tell my weight loss clients to add a big glass of water before each meal. In one study, overweight women who drank 500 milliliters of water, a little over 2 cups, before meals lost significant amounts of weight and body fat after 8 weeks. Protein. Getting enough protein throughout the day, including at breakfast, is key because increasing the percentage of protein in your diet can curb appetite and increase satiety throughout the day, which helps to prevent overeating and makes losing weight. Cinnamon to your coffee, tea. Cinnamon is naturally sweet, yet calorie-free, so it can save hundreds of calories and spare your waistline when used instead of sugars and syrups. It's also been shown to reduce body weight and belly fat, helping to prevent obesity.